Today's video topic is how to reduce cholesterol. Tips and tricks. In this video, we'll cover what cholesterol is, why it's important to keep it in check, and some tips and tricks to lower your cholesterol levels naturally. What is cholesterol? Cholesterol is a waxy substance found in the fats, lipids, in your blood. Your body needs some cholesterol to function properly, but if you have too much cholesterol in your blood, it can lead to a buildup of plaque in your arteries. This can increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. Why is it important to keep your cholesterol in check? High cholesterol is a common health problem that affects millions of people worldwide. If left untreated, it can increase your risk of developing heart disease, stroke, and other health problems. That's why it's important to keep your cholesterol levels in check. Tips and tricks to lower your cholesterol. 1. Eat a heart-healthy diet. Focus on eating a diet that's low in saturated and trans fats. Good food choices include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats such as nuts and seeds. 2. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling, most days of the week. 3. Quit smoking. Smoking is a major risk factor for heart disease and can also raise your cholesterol levels. If you're a smoker, quitting smoking can help you lower your cholesterol and improve your overall health. 4. Manage your weight. Being overweight or obese can increase your cholesterol levels and put you at risk for heart disease. Focus on eating a healthy diet and getting regular exercise to manage your weight. 5. Limit alcohol intake. Drinking too much alcohol can raise your triglyceride levels and lead to high cholesterol. If you drink alcohol, limit your intake to 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. 6. Try cholesterol-lowering foods. Certain foods, such as oats, barley, and soy products, contain soluble fiber that can help lower your cholesterol levels. Plant sterols and stanols, found in fortified foods and supplements, can also help lower cholesterol. 7. Consider medications. In some cases, medications such as statins may be necessary to lower your cholesterol levels. Talk to your doctor about the best treatment options for you. By following these tips and tricks, you can lower your cholesterol levels naturally and reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Remember, keeping your cholesterol levels in check is an important part of maintaining good health. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.